Welcome to Virtual PBX. While choosing the DIY option means do it yourself, you will have tons of resources and articles at your disposal while creating your account. The main things to go over will be creating your users, which are people on the platform who can make and take those phone calls, creating a device for your users, anything from a web phone, which is our browser version of our soft phone, the application that allows you to call and receive calls with your business number, or even linking your cell phone or a desk phone into the system. To create a new user, simply click Add User. To create a new extension for the user, go ahead and click the extension drop-down to unassign or add a new extension to the user. To add a new phone number, click on where it currently says none for that new user. You can either add from spare numbers, which are numbers that are already located in your account but are not currently in use, or you can choose to buy a new number. Each user is entitled one local number per user. To create a new device specifically linked to that user, click on the Devices drop-down. Each admin comes fully equipped with an admin web phone already in the system, but to create a new device, make sure to click on New Device and choose from one of the drop-down options. You can also set up user features on the account, such as a Follow Me feature, which allows different phone calls to ring to different devices, or even setting up music on hold. The other big part that you'll want to make sure to go over is going to be your main number settings. This is where you'll create all of the routing for your system. If you would like to be a 24 hours office setting, you do not have to change anything here. However, if you would like to change your office hours to make sure that during the night or on days that you are away from the office, it routes separately, you will want to choose custom office hours and set up your office hours. Once you're set up with office hours, as well as any holidays that you would like to set up, click on the incoming call handling dropdown. This is the main part of creating your account and its routing with us. The main option people choose is an incoming call to Virtual Receptionist. If you click into the Virtual Receptionist, you'll be able to go through the main route setups that you can choose from, including adding any routes that you would like, from a 0 to 9, as well as star, or a default action which would route after the dialing timeout has completed itself, and the greetings that you would like people to hear when they call in. Anything from using text to speech, existing recordings, or even calling in and recording it over the phone. Now, just because you've chosen our DIY option does not mean you are alone in this process. Please feel free to reach out to our team at accountservices@virtualpbx.com at any given point, or give us a call at 888-825-0800, option 3. We also offer a walkthrough option, which allows you to meet with an account manager and walk through creating that account together, or a build for you option, which allows for the account manager to meet with you, get your use case, and create it all for you. Please don't hesitate to reach out, and thanks for being part of the Virtual PBX team.